In Ontonagon County, travel 8 miles north of Bruce Crossing on Highway 45 to find Kun Falls. The parking lot and the trailhead to the falls is located on the east side of US 45. The parking lot is kept open year-round for recreationists as the falls are a favorite destination for snowshoeing. The majority of the trail is part of the North Country Trail, an interstate hiking trail stretching from North Dakota to New York. The plunge falls are created by the narrowing of the Baltimore River as it descends the steep hills to the Ontonagon River. The width of the falls varies depending on recent precipitation levels. The 1.3 miles of trail was improved to provide a backcountry experience for people with mobility issues. The trail surface now includes areas of raised, compacted gravel and extensive boardwalks over low and wet areas. Take the hike surrounded by spruce, hemlock, and pine, and enjoy your time at Kun Falls. One of the Upper Peninsula's most picturesque waterfalls, Agate Falls, is located in Ontonagon County. Created as the Ontonagon River finds its way over an extended shelf of terraced sandstone, turning to interlacing cascades and falling nearly 40 feet. Parking, water, toilets, and picnic tables are available at the park, which is generally open from early May through late October. 6.5 miles east of Bruce Crossing, driving toward Trout Creek on Highway 28, there are roadside parks on both sides of the road just after you cross the Ontonagon River. It will take some effort to scramble down to the river in order to get good views of the falls, a popular spot for fishing. From either parking lot, a trail up the riverbanks will allow a view of the old railroad bridge, now ORV trail. If driving past, take time to see Agate Falls. Waterfall in the middle branch of the Ontonagon River, Kun Falls is 3.4 miles east of Paulding in southern Ontonagon County. A scenic and popular waterfall, the falls are created as the river tumbles over a thick belt of fractured rock, dividing into numerous small cascades with a total drop of approximately 50 feet. Roadside parking and picnic tables are available near the top of the falls. An accessible boardwalk with 6 viewing locations has been added to this location. Trails lead to and from the falls from the picnic area. There is a newer walkway that extends across the river below the base of the falls that allows for perfect viewing.